Hi Freunde, servus, ich bin der Renton und endlich starten wir das Life is Strange Let's Play. Ich habe es vor einem Monat angekündigt, als ich mir die Limited Edition geholt habe. Ja, endlich ist es soweit. Ich hoffe, es gibt nicht allzu viele Probleme mit dem Soundtrack. Ein bisschen Copyrighted Material ist da schon dabei, aber wenn ich keine Werbung drauf schalte, sollte es kein Problem sein. Ich würde dieses Let's Play gern dem Simon widmen, einem Kollegen, dem sein Daumen auf der Arbeit sehr stark penetriert wird und der nicht viel zocken konnte in letzter Zeit. Tut mir leid und hier ist Life is Strange für dich, extra für dich, wie ich versprochen habe. So, gehen wir mal rein. Schauen wir uns das Ganze an. Komisch ist, dass das Zeug noch auf Englisch ist. Kann ich in die Optionen und die Sprache ändern? Settings. Language and Subtitle Settings. Okay. Subtitle Language Deutsch. Ja, Subtitle Size. Normal, groß, extra groß. Ich denke, normal reicht. Semi-Opaque Overlay. Nee. Lass mal so, wie es ist. Alles klar. Und wir fangen das neue Spiel an mit der ersten Episode. Ja, viele Fragen schon direkt am Anfang des Spiels. Das Let's Play wird ein sehr ruhiges Let's Play. Ich werde versuchen, zwischen den Gesprächen überhaupt nichts zu sagen, weil ich liebe das Spiel einfach. Ihr müsst da wirklich bei allem zuhören. Das hat so eine fantastische Geschichte. Ich liebe es einfach. Wir gucken mal, was uns oben erwartet und was hier eigentlich los ist. Okay, damit kann ich nicht interagieren, also gehen wir zum Leuchtturm.
Holy shit. That was so surreal.
Famously called film Little Pieces of Time. But he could be talking about photography, as he likely was.
Okay, I'm in class. Everything's cool. I am okay.
From light to shadow. From color to chiaroscuro. Now, can you give me an example of a photographer who perfectly captured the human condition in black and white?
I didn't fall asleep, and that sure didn't feel like a dream.
Bueller?
Weird.
Diane Arbus.
There you
Strange.
go, Victoria.
Life is strange.
Why Arbus?
Because of her images.
Look at this crap. How can I show this to Mr. Jefferson? I can hear the class laughing at me now.
You feel like totally haunted
Schauen wir
by
uns
the
hier
eyes of those
alles
sad
mal an.
mothers and
I
children.
can't believe I still have this pencil
saw humanity
case.
as tortured,
I should
right?
upgrade to the 21st
And
century.
frankly, it's bullshit.
But I like it old school.
Keep that to yourself.
If anybody else looked at this, what would they think?
So, hier haben wir quasi unser Pausenmenü. Wenn ihr wollt, könnt ihr euch das hier durchlesen. Ich lasse jede Seite mal kurz drauf, dass ihr dann pausieren könnt, dementsprechend. Ich werde mir das jetzt alles nicht durchlesen, ich habe das schon alles gelesen. Seite 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Und die 8. Okay, oben haben wir dann noch die Menüs hier. Da kann man zu jedem was erfahren. Hier Episode 1, Chrysalis. Das sind die gesammelten Fotos, die es zu sammeln gibt. Das ist auch das Einzige, was ihr braucht für die Trophys in dem Spiel oder für die Achievements. Alle Fotos in jeder Episode holen und wenn ihr sie nicht gleich kriegt, auch nicht schlimm, es gibt einen Collectibles-Mode. Gucken wir mal hier noch kurz rein. Dass man zu jedem irgendwie ein bisschen was lesen kann. So.
Seriously, though, I could frame any one of you in a dark corner and capture
My
you
little
in a
camera
moment
bag is
of
battered, but
desperation.
still kicking.
And any one of you could do that to me. Isn't that too easy? Too obvious? What if Arbus chose to capture people at the hush? I believe Max has taken what you kids call a selfie. A dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition. And Max has a gift. Of course, as you all know, the photo portrait has been popular since the early 1800s. Your generation was not the first to use images for selfie expression. Sorry, I couldn't resist. The point remains that the portraiture has always been a vital aspect of art and photography for as long as it's been around. Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
You're asking me? Let me think.
You either know this or not, Max. Is there anybody here who knows their stuff?
Louis Daguerre was a French painter who created daguerreotypes, a process that gave portraits a sharp reflective style like a mirror. Now you're totally stuck in the retro zone. Sad face.
Very good, Victoria. The Daguerrean process brought out fine detail in people's faces.
Sorry, Max.
making them
No more
extremely
selfies
popular
right
from the
now.
1800s onward. The first American daguerreotype
I haven't kept up with my
self-portrait was
journal
done
as
by
much as I
Robert
should.
Cornelius. You can find out all about him in your textbook or even online. And guys, don't forget the deadline to submit a photo in the Everyday Heroes contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco where you'll be feted by the art world. It's great exposure and it can kickstart a career in photography. So Stella and Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Ja, das war peinlich. Was will man machen? Okay, schauen wir uns ein bisschen um.
Even her school books are gift wrapped. I can't believe she made fun of me in class. What is she, 15 years old? Of course, Victoria has to have the bestest, newest. I should have known. She'll have better equipment than Blackwell.
You sure you know what it's like to be consumed
Ja,
by
die Victoria, das reiche, verwöhnte Gör.
Everyday Heroes is an important cultural
Huh,
event.
this might make a cool shot.
Blackwell Academy.
You have just by participating, by putting yourself out there in the world. Now, no matter who wins, this is just a bump on a bigger road.
Jetzt müsste es eine Trophy geben, ja, genau. Das erste Foto.
But I also want everybody to know that
Benutzen wir mal den
Looks
Rechner
like
hier.
somebody was already working on this. Cool.
Und reden wir mal mit der Kate.
Hi, Kate.
Oh,
I only want to share
Hi, Max.
whatever gifts I have with the world.
Kate, I hope I didn't embarrass you with my lame answer.
it sucks to be dragged into the spotlight.
Unless you're Victoria.
She's got nothing on you, Max. Well, I should get going.
Yeah, me too. Talk to you later.
Sure.
Die wird noch später eine sehr wichtige Rolle einnehmen.
Now I wish I wouldn't have read this. Purge.
Let's talk later, Max.
Gut, dann sprechen wir halt später.
This is ridiculous. I always get so shy and nervous around Mr. Jefferson. Every time I look at Victoria, I feel like she's talking smack about me. Excuse me, Mr. Jefferson, can I talk to you for a moment?
Yes. Excuse you.
No, Victoria. Excuse us. I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
I didn't have any time. Way too much homework.
Max, you're a better photographer than a liar. Now, I know it's a drag to hear some old dude lecture you, but life won't wait for you to play catch-up. You're young, the world is yours, blah, 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 right? But you do have a gift. You have the fever to take images, to frame the world only the way you envision it. Now, all you need is the courage to share your gift with others. And that's what separates the artist from the amateur.
Gut zu wissen. Alla hopp, hau mal ab. Komm.
You didn't tell me how cute I looked yet.
I was about to. You
Welcome to the real world.
Just cute.
hot.
Then I might send you a special picture.
Because Max wants everybody to see how hip she is. He plays it so sharp.
I need a serious timeout in the bathroom. Splash water on my face and make sure I don't look like a total loser.
I hate that class. It's so fucking boring.
She's so fucking shy. She takes selfies with a giant camera.
Ich hab Gänsehaut, gell? Ach Gott, wie ich das Spiel lieb. Ja, schauen wir uns kurz das Vermissten-Poster an.
Looks like she's been gone for months.
Und ja, die Musik ist extrem laut. Ich gehe direkt aufs Klo.
Empty. Good. Nobody can see my meltdown. Except for me.
Alles klar.
Now who would bother to write that crap?
Rachel Amber is a bitch. Okay. Da hängt ein Poster.
The last time I got a flu shot, I got the flu. Fuck you. I feel like the universe is taunting me everywhere I go today. It all started with that bizarro dream in class. Am I going crazy?
So, ich habe gedacht, da könnte man vielleicht ein Foto machen. Geht aber nicht.
Just relax. Stop torturing yourself. You have a gift. Fuck it. When a door closes, a window opens. Or something like that. Okay, girl, you don't get a photo op like this every day.
Vorsichtig. Foto.
It's cool, Nathan. Don't stress. You're okay, bro. Just count to 3. Don't be scared. You own this school. If I wanted, I could blow it up. You're the boss. So what do you want?
I hope you checked the perimeter, as my step-ass would say. Now, let's talk business.
I got nothing for you.
Wrong. You got hella cash.
That's my family, not me.
Oh, boo-hoo, poor little rich kid. I know you've been pumping drugs and shit to kids around here. I bet your respectable family would help me out if I went to them. Man, I can see the headlines now.
Leave them out of this bitch!
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around with.
Where'd you get that? What are you doing? Come on, put that thing down!
Don't ever tell me what to do. I'm so sick of people trying to control me!
You are going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho! No!
Whoa. What the fuck? How can that be? I was in the bathroom. He shot that poor girl. I held up my hand. And then I was back here.
As he likely was. These pieces of time can frame us in
I already heard this lecture.
from light to shadow, from color.
Now Kate is being hassled again. And if Victoria's phone rings, this is real.
Now,
Shit!
can you give me an example of a
Man, I
photographer
cannot
who
believe
perfectly
this.
captured the human condition in black and white?
Okay, if I'm crazy, I might as well go all the way.
Bueller?
Diane.
Can I actually reverse time?
Go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
Ja, wir können die Zeit
Because of
zurückdrehen,
her images
zumindest
of hopeless
ein
faces.
kleines Stückchen.
You feel like total.
Seht ihr hier? Ist eine große Mechanik in dem Spiel und ist auch sehr cool umgesetzt, muss ich sagen. Und die Kamera lebt wieder, jawohl.
I did it.
Can you give
I
me an
actually
example
did
of a
it.
photographer who perfectly captured the
human
human
time
condition in black
machine.
and white? Anybody? Bueller?
Max,
Machen wir mal das Selfie.
don't freak out. Not yet.
There you go, Victoria.
When I took my selfie, Jefferson asked me a question.
Because of her images of hopeless
If he does again,
I
I'll
believe
know
Max
this
was
is for
taking
real.
what you kids call a selfie. A dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition. And Max has a gift.
I know I'm not
Of
dreaming
course,
this.
as you all know, the
It's
photo
real.
portrait has been popular
I can
since
tell.
the early 1800s. Your generation
So I
was the
can go
first
back
to
in
use
time.
images for selfie expression.
What if that girl isn't dead
I
yet?
couldn't resist. The point
Can I
remains
save
that
her?
the portraiture has always been a vital aspect of art and photography for
I
as
need to go to the bathroom
long as it's
quickly
been
and
around.
check it out.
Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
Das Geile ist, ich habe vergessen, was die Antwort war. Ah, ist egal. Ich muss zur Toilette.
I'm sorry, but I really have to use the bathroom.
Nice try, Max. But you're not going to get away that easy. We can talk more after class. Is there anybody
Oh,
here
shit.
who knows their stuff?
Jefferson wants to keep me after
Louis Daguerre
class.
was a French painter
And I need
who
time to
created
save that girl.
daguerreotypes, a process that gave portraits a sharp reflective
Zeit
style.
für
like a
Zeitreisen,
mirror.
oder?
Now you're totally stuck in the retro zone. Sad face.
Very good, Victoria.
What if I rewind again and give him the right answer?
Hopp, hopp, hopp. Schneller, schneller. Jetzt.
Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
The Daguerrean process, invented by a French painter named Louis Daguerre around 1830.
Somebody has been reading as well as posing. Nice work, Max.
Streber.
The Daguerrean process made portraiture hugely popular, mainly because it gave the subjects clear, defined features. You can learn more when you actually finish reading the assigned chapters. Max is so far way ahead of Evan. And guys, don't forget the deadline to submit a photo in the Everyday Heroes contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the art world. It's great exposure, and it can kickstart a career in photography. So Stella and Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Max, you are not crazy. You are not dreaming. It's time to be an everyday hero.
So, und tschüss direkt aufs Klo.
Yes, Victoria, I see you, Max Caulfield. Don't even think about leaving here until we talk about your entry. I'd never let one...
Laber, laber, laber. Ich weiche nicht aus.
I'm not avoiding, just...
Biding time, waiting for the elusive right moment.
Exactly.
Max, don't wait too long. John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans. Go on now. Don't let me
Ein
stop.
weiser Mann. Ah, genau, man kann manche Entscheidungen halt wiederholen. So wie jetzt.
Excuse me, Mr. Jefferson, can I talk to you for a moment?
Yes. Excuse you.
No, Victoria. Excuse us. I'd never let one of photographer...
Zack, zack, zack.
I'm on top of it. I think John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans.
Max, you're on fire today. All the right answers. Good.
You're on
Make sure you
fire.
finish working on it by today. I have faith in you.
Alles klar, jetzt endlich. Komm. Jetzt können wir raus und können das
I
Mädel
hope I
retten.
have enough time to get to the bathroom. Please, please. I can't tell anybody. They'll think I'm crazy.
Schnell, schnell, schnell.
Okay, Max, retrace every step. I washed my face. I shredded my photo. Then the butterfly flew in. And I took a photo.
Leave them out of this bitch!
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around with.
Where'd you get that? What are you doing? Come on, put that
Ever
thing down!
Tell me what to do.
I'm too scared to get near this psycho.
To control me.
You are
Irgendwas
going
musst
to
du
get in
machen.
hella more
Feueralarm,
trouble for
Feueralarm.
this than drugs.
Nobody
I need a hammer to break it open.
miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho!
Holy shit, I can't let this happen.
From me, psycho!
If I can reverse time again, I can help her.
Don't ever tell me what to do.
Wagen bewegen.
Of people trying to control me.
You are going
Hammer
to get in
nehmen.
hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk
Damn.
ass, would they? No way.
Don't ever touch me again, freak!
Another shitty day.
That did not happen. This cannot be real. I just saw a girl get shot and then saved her. What the fuck is going on? Do not freak out.
Hey, do you hear that fire alarm? That means you should be outside.
I had to use the bathroom.
Girls always use that excuse.
Excuse for what?
For whatever you're up to, your face is covered in guilt.
The alarm tripped me out.
Then trip on out of here, Missy. Or are you hiding something? Huh?
Thank you, Mr. Madsen. The situation is under control. There's no emergency here. Leave Miss Caulfield alone, and please turn off that alarm since that's your job.
Gut, gehen wir mal zum Rektor.
You look a little stressed out. Are you okay?
I'm just a little worried about my future.
You're sweating pinballs. Is that all you're thinking about? You can always be upfront with me, Max. Or have you done something wrong? Is that it? Well, Max, talk to me.
So, wir haben jetzt zwei Möglichkeiten. Wir können Nathan melden oder wir können die Wahrheit verbergen. Ich melde den Wichser.
I just saw Nathan Prescott waving a gun around in the girls' room.
Nathan Prescott. You sure?
Yes, he was in the bathroom talking to himself with a gun. I saw everything. He was babbling like crazy.
Okay, slow down. Slow down. So now you saw this without him seeing you.
I was hiding behind a stall. I have the right to be there. It's the girls' room.
I know. I just want to be completely clear what happened. Mr. Prescott happens to be from the town's most distinguished family, and one of Blackwell's most honored students. So it's hard for me to see him brandishing a weapon in the girls' bathroom. So what happened next?
Then he left. I ran out here wondering what to do. Are you gonna bust him?
This is a serious charge. I'll look into the matter personally. Thank you for bringing it to my attention.
That's it? After what I told you?
We'll continue this discussion later in my office. Please go outside with the rest of your class now, Miss Caulfield.
So,
Of course, this academic drone won't do anything since the Prescott family owns Blackwell now. Should I rewind and change my story?
Das ist das Coole, bei allen wichtigen Entscheidungen gebt euch das Spiel nochmal Feedback, wie sich das auswirken könnte, und ihr könnt dann einfach zurückspulen und das ändern. Aber ich will das lassen. Ich lasse das.
Would Nathan Prescott please come to the front office? Thank you.
Ja, andernfalls wäre das wahrscheinlich nicht passiert.
Hi, Miss Grant.
Excuse me, Max. I know everybody loves being asked to sign a petition, but would you do Miss Grant a favor and hear me out?
Sure, I always have time for you. What's the petition?
David Madsen, our chief of security, wants to put surveillance cameras all around the campus. Halls, classrooms, gym, dorm rooms, etc. Blackwell Academy should be a high school, not a high-security penitentiary.
Das hätte Rachel helfen können.
I guess cameras could have helped Rachel. I can see both sides.
You're fair-minded, Max. And we all pray Rachel is found safe and sound, bless her soul. But this petition isn't about her. Blackwell Academy has a noble heritage, from the Native Americans who founded this land to the pioneers who shared it in peace, not fear and violence.
Also falls ihr euch jetzt fragt, wer Rachel ist, ich habe ja vorhin ganz kurz dieses Vermisstenblatt angeklickt. Es handelt sich dabei um Rachel Amber, die schon seit einiger Zeit verschwunden ist. Nur, dass ihr Bescheid wisst.
You know a lot about Blackwell for being the science teacher.
Science is history, Max. And I have a secret wish to teach local lore and legends. There's a lot of unique facts about this you might really enjoy discovering. Now, before I assign you homework with this lecture, will you please sign the petition to keep our campus from going back to 1984?
Ja, komm, ich mach's.
Absolutely. I don't mind security, but not pure surveillance.
I knew you were my favorite new student at Blackwell for a good reason.
Diese Tat wird Konsequenzen haben. Es klingt ein bisschen arg hart, gell? Hier kann man kurz den Campus genießen. Da gibt es immer wieder so ein paar Stellen im Spiel.
This day has been so insane. Everything is happening too fast. And none of it makes any sense. These visions, this power. I keep expecting to wake up one more time. But if this is a dream, then I'm not asleep. Which means somehow I did rewind time. So there has to be a reason. And I have to find out why.
Ja, finde ich ganz cool, so Momente. Das läuft dann aber auch ewig weiter, also... Gerade mal gucken, wo ich eventuell noch ein Foto machen könnte. Den hier brauche ich nicht reden. Oh, der Warren hat mir geschrieben. So, wir sollen uns auf dem Parkplatz treffen. Entschuldigung, wir können gleich mal gucken, was hier noch so geschrieben wird. Das war von der Kate, da von der Mama. Und vom Papa.
To my dorm and grab that flash drive.
Soweit ich weiß, kann man hier ein Foto
Yo, Justin.
Check out the Max.
bekommen.
Come to thrash?
Oh yeah? Bring it.
What's your first move gonna be?
Jump?
You're such a poser. If you can't even name a simple nose slide or a tray flip, you should walk on.
Yo, Justin.
Check out.
I came to nose slide, but I'd love to see somebody do a tree flip.
Oh, sick. You're not a poser.
Nah, I just can't skate worth shit.
Oh, check it. We're gonna destroy some rails for you. What do you want to see?
Ich glaube, man muss den Trayflip nehmen.
Go for a tree flip.
Let's get Trevor all over that action.
Auf den Sack. Und jetzt kann man ein Foto machen davon. Wie assi. Ja, zu meiner Zeit nannte man den Trick No Family. Ja. Ist uns öfters mal passiert beim Skaten. So, ich will gerade mal schauen, wen man hier noch treffen könnte, mit wem es interessant wäre zu sprechen. Ich glaube, sie ist nicht schlecht.
Hi, Brooke.
Let me guess. You want to fly my drone?
I'd love to. I love planes and balloons and...
This is neither. Do you know what a drone really is?
A weapon, right?
You read too many conspiracy sites. This might be too complicated for you. Funny, Warren said you were smart. Please, step back.
Ist die böse?
Hi, Brooke. Is that really yours? Is that even legal?
Of course. Nobody knows about it yet.
Isn't it considered a weapon of war?
You read too many conspiracy.
Okay, egal was ich mache, ich hab's verkackt bei der. Dann halt nicht. Dann halt nicht. So, ich glaube hier hinten. Ist das ein Foto wert?
Oh, that's not
Wahrscheinlich
nice.
nicht.
Poor little otter. Ew, gross. At least switch to e-cigs.
Plakate, die mich weniger interessieren. An dem Baum könnten wir uns hinsetzen und auch nochmal alles Revue passieren lassen. Mache ich jetzt aber auch nicht. Zumindest vermute ich es mal, dass es so ähnlich ist wie der Brunnen. Ah, die Statue.
I bet the Blackwell founders would shit cats if they saw today's student body walking around like zombies on their phones. That's so cool that Blackwell is doing a show of Mr. Jefferson's work. That's one of his famous shots. I love how it captures the moment.
Wer ist das da hinten? Even, okay.
Evan's portfolio always
Evan.
looks so uber pro. I'd love to see his photos in there. Hey, Evan. Mind if I check out your cool portfolio?
Let's see if you're worthy of it, Max. You'll have to answer a simple question. Who photographed the famous falling soldier?
Robert Capa, of course. I love his work, despite the controversy about that photo.
My. This quiet child knows things.
That's why I'm here.
You're a kindred spirit, Max. Would you care for a perusal of my portfolio? It's not a privilege I grant to many.
I'd be honored, sir.
Das war einfach nur komplett geraten, gell? Aber es hat funktioniert.
These photos are great. And Rachel Amber's face is mesmerizing.
Krass, sehr scheiß. Allerhopp, ich glaube, viel interessanter wird's nicht mehr. Zu den Dorms müssen wir, glaube ich, nicht. Graffiti? Kann ich das fotografieren? Nee. Wir müssten eigentlich auf dem Parkplatz. Ist vielleicht tatsächlich doch in der Richtung hier. Ich gehe mal hin. Und schau nach. Scheint korrekt gewesen zu sein.
Come on, Logan, bring it, bro. Yeah.
I need to go to my room and return Warren's flash drive.
Achtung. Hab gedacht, da passiert was.
Hi, Max.
are you doing?
Fantastic. I'm by myself reading Chicklet. Pretty soon I'll be bonding with Victoria at the Vortex Club.
I think you're better off reading Chicklet.
Good point. Now if you'll excuse me.
I feel like Alyssa and I should be better friends.
Ich hab gedacht, jetzt passiert was, was aber nicht passiert ist. Sehr schade.
You'd think with all the rain here in Oregon, you wouldn't need to water the lawn. I guess Blackwell has to keep the lawn and plants well manicured to look good on a catalog. Good old Samuel. Some people are creeped out by him. And he's not creepy, just X-Files weird. Howdy, Samuel.
Well, hello there.
Awesome.
What's up with these Rachel Amber posters?
But only she would know that, right?
I guess. It just makes the campus look sad.
You can't color over that sunlight.
Sweet.
What do you think happened to her?
Best not to dwell on the past. Samuel looks forward, like a clock.
You knew Rachel?
How can you know a prism? You just stare in awe. Now I have to go paint windows.
Ist schon ein bisschen komisch, gell?
What was she like? She must have been popular.
Even sunlight can cast shadows. Rachel did both at once, you know. She was like a battery. Positive and negative.
See you later, Samuel.
And watch your step around here, Max. After I sweep, I paint.
Ich würde gern noch mit Kate reden. Wenn das irgendwie funktioniert.
Hi, Kate.
Hey, Max.
You look down. You okay?
I'm kind of over humanity today. Sorry to be a drama queen.
Is there anything...
Max, I'd like to be alone if you don't mind. I'm sorry.
Nice, bro.
Max, get a clue.
Sehr schade.
Glad to see our campus is eco-friendly.
Das Totem...
Warren told me that totem is named Tobanga for a reason nobody knows.
Ne, sieht nicht so aus. Irgendwo war hier aber wirklich noch ein Foto versteckt. Wenn nicht jetzt, dann später. Wir machen jetzt einfach mal weiter in der Story.
Oh look, it's Max Caulfield, the selfie hoe of Blackwell. What a lame gimmick. Even Mark, Mr. Jefferson, falls for your waif hipster bullshit. The Daguerrean process, sir. You could barely even say that. I guess you got your meds filled. Since you know all the answers, I guess you have to find another way into the dorm. We ain't moving. Oh wait, hold that pose. So original. Don't worry, Max. I'll put a vintage filter on it right before I post it all over social medias. Now, why don't you go fuck your selfie?
Oh yes,
Fuck your
Victoria.
selfie.
I'll get your bony ass out of my way.
So, jetzt muss ich mir überlegen, wie das
I
nochmal
don't want to
ging.
mess with that ladder and hurt poor Samuel. I just want to get Victoria the hell out of the way.
Get lost.
Der ist wirklich creepy, ey.
What the hell? Are you kidding? Look at this.
Chill, Victoria. It's just water.
Yeah, water on my cashmere. Do you know how much this fucking outfit costs? You look great. I can't even chill on the steps.
Oh je, Mann. Da holt sie ab.
So, do you understand English? Get lost.
Sprichst du kein Deutsch? Nee. Wo hängt denn die Farbe? Da oben?
None shall pass. Capiche?
Oh, Eichhörnchen. Was soll ich tun? Hier hinten war nix. Ich vermute, wir müssen wieder in den Raum zurück.
Sorry, no paparazzi allowed.
Nein.
I must have missed something. I should rewind.
So, und nu? War das jetzt zu weit, oder was? Ah, guck mal, mit dem Eimer konnte ich was machen. Achtung. Hau ab. Manipulieren.
Okay, let's see if this works.
Jetzt warten wir, bis der damit hochgeht und dann machen wir die Sprenkler an. Oder vielleicht funktioniert es auch, wenn wir es jetzt schon machen. Sieht gut aus.
You okay, Victoria?
Oh, Samuel is sorry. Wet paint is not good for hair, nope.
Get the hell away from me, weirdo!
Hold on. We'll get some towels. We'll be right back.
So move your ass before I drive.
It worked. Don't mess with Max, bitches.
Ja, don't mess with Max, bitches. Bitches?
Hey, Victoria.
What do you want, Max?
Wir trösten sie.
I am sorry. That's an awesome cashmere coat.
It was. But there'll be another.
Well, you always seem to know how to pick the right outfits.
I do have some talent. Mr. Jefferson told me.
I've seen your pictures. You have a great eye. Richard Avedon-esque.
He's one of my heroes. Thanks, Max. I hope those sluts get me a towel before they hang a sign on me. You deserve a better shot. Sorry about blocking you and the go fuck your selfie.
That was mean, but pretty funny.
Just one of those days, you know?
I know exactly what you mean, Victoria. I'll see you later.
Au revoir.
Ja, sie kann auch lieb sein. Wer hätte es gedacht? Wer hätte es gedacht?
Victoria probably played me. I should have played her. Better get to my room before I find Warren.
Nee, hätte man nicht. Leute, ich muss hier aufhören, sonst wird es viel zu lang. Danke fürs Zuschauen. Ich hoffe, ihr hattet Spaß. Wir sehen uns dann beim nächsten Mal. Bis dann. Ciao.